This video introduces the Inventory Heatmap and Stockout Alert System for Essential Goods, a solution built on Snowflake to prevent shortages, reduce waste, and ultimately save lives. What is going wrong today? Inventory data is scattered, shortages are discovered too late, and overstocking leads to waste. This results in medicine shortages, food distribution gaps, and slow disaster response. Those affected include hospitals, clinics, public food distribution systems, NGOs, disaster relief teams, and field workers in low connectivity areas. Our solution provides a single, intelligent inventory view. It shows stock health, warns early about stockouts, suggests reorder quantities, works offline on mobile, and scales nationally. The live prototype shows how one screen answers 3 key questions. Where is stock critical? What will run out soon? And what should we reorder now? The Heatmap view uses a visual system: red for critical, yellow for warning, green for healthy, and blue for excess. This visual approach ensures instant understanding and faster action. Early alerts predict stockouts before they happen, based on days of stock remaining, lead time awareness, and configurable thresholds. These alerts are displayed on the dashboard. The AI Stock Analyst provides intelligent reorder suggestions and risk summaries. You can also ask OpenAI or Gemini for a procurement plan, with system status showing a real-time connected data source. Snowflake is the platform of choice because it ensures a single source of truth with no data movement. It features secure role-based access, scales easily, and is marketplace and native app ready. The AI for Good impact includes reduced stockouts of critical medicines, 5 to 10 days of early warning, decreased food wastage and expiry, and faster disaster response. This system is designed for government health departments, public distribution systems, NGOs and humanitarian organizations, and CSR and foundation partners. Thank you for watching. Data-driven supply chains save lives. You can reach the principal developer, Eshwar Girigauda, via email.
Welcome for the AI for Good Hackathon. In challenges today, we will be exploring inventory heat map and stockout alert for essential goods, problem and goals. You can read through all this. And for backend, we will be using Snowflake's database. It will be source of truth. Yeah, let's get started. We need to start a couple of servers, like backend and as well as front end. Let's start the server, backend server. This backend server will be connected to the Snowflakes. And front end will be using React. So let's open that. So now we can see the React has displayed all the information, the dashboard with stock health heat map, mentioning as healthy, warning and critical in different colors: green, yellow and red. So you can see here the connection is active, and this program is syncing with the database for every minute. So each minute it will just get the refreshed data. If any changes, it will update as well. So you can see that report, like inventory at risk 13. So it's giving all that. This 13 includes red and yellow, that is critical, as well as low stock warnings. So this information is provided here. So what we can do here is, assuming that this is what information we have, and we want to see what action we need to take, we will take an assistance from the AI. So AI, you need to provide a key. It may be Gemini or OpenAI for procurement plan. So right now it just gives the top 3. I'm providing the OpenAI key. I'm just querying the information. So this is what it has recommended actually. So we'll just paste it and see what can be done for this. So basically this is giving all that information, like say for reorder quantity for top 3 critical items only. So this is one item. Similarly, reorder is done here. Okay, this is the second item. Reorder is done, and this is the third item. And finally, we have the summary. So summary again, yeah. So if you just go through here, so it says that for set emergency port. Post this one actually. So it is mentioning that based on all the calculation and or whatever that pre-history, it is mentioning that you need to reorder the quantity as 500. Similarly, for this it is 600 reorder quantity, and for again this third one is 650. So it is giving the suggestion as well. Immediate action what needs to be taken. This summarized report, it is mentioning that. So all those points you can just note it down and take further actions. And also we'll just clear this. If you want to export whatever that information we have right now here, you can do that as well to CSV as well as PDF. So all the information you will get it here with that, all the status and days remaining and PDF. Yeah, we have it here. So now let's do an real-time checking. Like here we have this emergency paracetamol like 5 days. So how the Snowflake's dynamic table, how it works, let's see that. Like say for example, if I let's make it 1 second. We'll bring it this outside. And rearrange this. Like say we'll just focus on this one now. Emergency paracetamol. 5 days remaining. That we'll make it to go out of stock. Like say critical, we'll push it that. Like say we'll run this query. So this will increase that issued quantity from 20 to 24. So based on that, this will get changed. So now comes the dynamics action table. So internally what it does is it will just query the table join. I'll show you that how exactly it is being done. Like if you open the GitHub, you have the SQL query there. You just keep monitoring this. It will get auto refreshed after a minute. So here we have all the like tables, database, items, locations, all those information. If you run, you will get that created at your Snowflake's end. Here it is mentioned as 10 minutes actually, but we are doing that for a minute. Target lag is here, minute. So this is the dynamic table. See here, after a minute it get to critical and it's mentioning it's only 4 days left. You have to take action. So this is all it is. So dynamic table is a helpful feature from Snowflake. So it's basically the pipeline which triggers those refresh and gives you the real-time data. Further, you can enhance this to push technologies using like say email or WhatsApp or whatever the features you would like. You can implement that as well. Yeah, thank you.